hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a very fun game for you, and it is called Puzzle Dash. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. For this activity, you're only going to need a few items. So one is going to be a puzzle. Now I have a bunch of puzzle pieces for one completed puzzle. Make sure you have a completed puzzle. I'm going to do 12 just for this demonstration, but in my PE class it'd be like 24, possibly 40, depending on the size of my class. But I'm just going to do 12 for this demonstration, and a bowl or something that the student's going to actually be able to grab from. So stay tuned and I'll go ahead and demonstrate this. You're going to have a starting line. That person's going to start at the blue line. You're going to run out, and you're going to grab one puzzle piece from your container. Once you grab your one piece, make sure you run back, and you're going to drop it off. Touch the line, go back, grab another puzzle piece, one, and then run back and drop it off. Now, students can figure this out. If you have a group of two, you can have one person running, dropping them off while the other person puts the puzzle together. Or if you have just yourself, you can time yourself and see how long it takes you to run, grab all the puzzle pieces, drop them off, and then put the puzzle together. So stay tuned, and I'm going to go and demonstrate this activity in just a moment. All right, going to start my puzzle dash in a moment. Getting ready in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, last puzzle piece. I'm gonna get down, and I'm gonna complete my puzzle. Good workout. Whew, I'm shaky. All right, so I just completed my puzzle dash in 1 minute and 48 seconds. So as you can see, I have a 12-piece puzzle. And again, my time, I completed it in 1 minute and 48 seconds. So Jordan's gonna give it a shot. He's gonna do the same thing. He has a different puzzle, so if you wanna change it up and have one person have a different puzzle than the other, or you guys, again, you could just see how quickly you guys can do it in a given time. Okay, so stay tuned. All right, so Jordan's gonna start his puzzle dash in just a moment, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. As a reminder, tell your students or your kids that you can only grab one puzzle piece at a time, and they must drop it off before grabbing another one. All right, so Joan's gonna work on putting that puzzle together now. All right, so Jordan completed it in 1 minute and 20 seconds. 1 minute and 20 seconds. So this was Jordan's puzzle. If you have 2 players, what you could do is you could actually have them switch puzzles. So then if you wanted to do another round, I would do Jordan's and Jordan would do mine, and vice versa. So, well, we hope you enjoyed that activity of Puzzle Dash, and make sure you guys don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
Until next time, take care.